Good morning. I feel much better today, definitely much better. It's beautiful, lovely morning here in Bali, and I want to show you today how does it look the residential area's beach side. Actually, this is the beach side residential area in Bali, and if you maybe already guessed, this is obviously Sanur in Bali, because only in Sanur I think you can find so much tranquility like this one, and is the ocean just over there. So this is like one of the best residential areas in Bali so far. Obviously this is the new gang, new street and new houses, villas around. It's very quiet. Over there is just the beach and the ocean, and there how does it villa and houses looks around. Like this one, for example, only the one, and there everywhere elsewhere is more. I will show you now. So here Jalan Sekarwaru is so many villas deep inside and houses. Even there are some ladies doing the morning cyclings. There's the Mercure Hotel and the construction building, so many empty land. Hotel is just over there where is my finger. So there is starting the tourist area of Sanur, and everywhere elsewhere here they are already villas, what I'm gonna show you now. And here we go, everywhere here they are already villas, like this one, and this one is for rent anyway, and they are deep inside the gangs. And deep inside these gangs they are another villas, and everywhere here and here, this is all houses and villas. Here is under construction still. That's how it looks like. This area is called Smertasari, because obviously this is also like my neighborhood. Here you have 4 villas, but this neighborhood, to compare to my neighborhood where I live, and I make a vlog like 2 weeks ago or something, here everywhere you have here is so many villas deep inside of this small street. And here the main reason is as here you have about 5-minute walking distance to the beach. That's why it's called beachside houses everywhere. And basically if you wanna have a morning walk or cycling or jogging or going with your doggo to the beach, you have 5 minutes, no more than that. And here is the main entrance to the Mertasari beach. Even here somebody rent the house, and they are doing some renovations, I can see. And here there is the more villas deep inside. Everywhere actually here are villas deep inside, but here is still land maybe for buy or for lease. Maybe it's huge, and so many villas also deep inside the gang like this. This is the new residential area where I make a vlog. As you see, it's already bigger street. Yo doggo. And here is already older Mertasari area where is so many nice villas also and houses, but little bit older. You can enter to the beach here, and everywhere, literally everywhere here, there are houses and villas and small streets where you can find more of them. Even here, as you see, is villa for rent and land for sale. Everything here is like this. It's used to be prepared for the residential area. However, here the houses and villas are a little bit more fancy than the place where I live. And also I have 5 minutes distance to the ocean by bike or car, but here you have 5 minute distance by walk, and the beach is actually at the front. I'm going now, and here is already access to the beach. Hello. And as you see, here is the bay actually, and there is the park and the ocean and the Serangan Island. However, I'm not gonna focus today about the beach. And this is the mangrove. I'm gonna show you more houses and villas around. By the way, this is a nice place for the morning cycling. Somebody long time ago have a very nice villa here. However, not sure if anyone living here, but it's nice. The only problem is next to the mangrove, so a little bit not for me, afraid about snakes. Snakes. At the front is the temple, and here is the nice river with the promenade you can walk. Here is the entrance to the huge residential area, Jalan Tanjung. But quickly I'm gonna show you the neighborhood. Here is the promenade where you can walk. I used to learn how to skateboarding here. By the way, as you see, it's actually really beautiful here. It's nice river. Maybe color of the water is not that amazing, but the river and the vibe here is really cool. And at the front, if I hit longer, is the bypass, the freeway, the big road. But I'm gonna come back now and show you more houses and villas. And here is villa for rent, house for rent, just at the front of the river if you're interested. All right, heading now into this residential area, Jalan Tanjung. And here is already smaller road, is little bit more likely local residential area. So the prices of the properties probably will be a little bit cheaper than in the first place where I showed you. However, it's also beautiful here, and so many houses and so many villas like this one already. You see tranquil areas. Here where this truck is coming, here is some big construction here. So except the new villas, yes, as you see. And here you have still land to buy, and there in the background already have big villas. Heading here, banana. And here we go, even without cutting the video, here is already the garden villa. So many nice houses, villas around. Somebody have a nice door here. And street is smaller here, I had to agree with that. However, check this out. Everywhere is villa, residential area, and very quiet and calm. If I compare personally this area of residential area, either is like, let's say, my neighborhood, I still prefer this one than the Umalas in between Kerobokan, Seminyak and Canggu, because there is always something, but here you see it's so calm and still mixed with the local houses. For example, like this one, some local family living here. I think that was actually the cause. The pink group having I think villas or apartments for rent. Small alley, but very nice. And one thing what I really like about Sanur to compare to the Canggu, for example, or Kerobokan, as here is still balance between local people who living and the fancy villas and houses. Because in Umalas, in some of the places of Umalas, which is the residential area of Canggu, Seminyak, stuff like this, you mostly only see fancy villas like this one, for example, but nothing local around. But here is still mix, and still you have land to buy here. If you, for people who looking for buy land, hello, to people who looking to buy the land and build your own villa here, I can warrant you, is so many around, and also so many houses to rent, ready to go. Very nice. Here we go. This is house for rent for this, as you see, like this. And here is the beautiful residential area. If you would like to have a villa there inside, more secure with the security and stuff like this, everything is possible. And here is even nice something, I think it's business, and so many houses and villas deep inside. Also some of the houses here have a space to park the car, some others no, and here are more likely old houses. This is more likely Renon style here, but so many nice places. And forgive me about this loud bike here. That's nothing, never will change here in Bali, but yeah. Quick point of view where we are, that was the residential area. There is the main street called bypass or freeway, however, and here is the Barbarossa, the new place, Mediterranean cuisine. And this is already Danau Poso street in Sanur. Also on this street, the main street in Sanur, you can find the villas for rent. On Danua Poso, like here, it's something between my residential area where I live and beachfront, beachside, but it's already not really beachside. However, if you want to live close to the main street, it's also not so bad to choose staying here somewhere. Also many gangs deep inside and many villas, many houses here, like this one. Alright, quickly gonna come back to the previous stage where I start, which is 500 meters to the Mercure. This is Jalan Sekarwaru, and it's so many houses here around, and there are so many to rent actually around also. So you can see how does it looks like Villa Ryska Bali. That sounds like a Polish, by the way. No, I don't know. And here is very nice house, very nice. So many, and this street is already bigger, definitely bigger, and so many houses and villas and small gangs where you can find more houses deep inside. And here is even some renovation house for rent. And this is like a distance for less than 500 meters to the beach. So that's why this area of Sanur, it's called beachside. And obviously there is only residential area and the main street is already behind and the another big main street is behind. So here is already just called colonial house. Wow, looks nice, right? Also I think for rent or for buy or for lease, everything is possible. And that's how it's quickly, briefly look the situation in Sanur. Alright guys, behind me is Mercure Sanur, and on the other side, boom, quick, here is the villas and dogs barking at me. And also interesting fact, if you're interested to buy big land in Sanur, here we go, here is the big land, there is the temple, but it's also land for the house or villa. It's huge, it looks ugly, but if you're gonna build your house, villa, you're gonna be just at the front of the Mercure Hotel, which is nice hotel in Sanur. And that's quick shot. I have still material to make at least 2 videos from this area to cover all. I didn't want it to make half-hour video, long video, so comment below if you're interested to see more. Meanwhile, that's it from me and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.